When you need to multiply one polynomial by another polynomial, you need to break it down into a couple of steps. So the first step will be you multiply this whole thing by the first number. The second step, you multiply this whole thing by this second number, and what you got here and what you got here are added together, and that's your answer. So let's do this as an example. First thing we do is multiply this whole thing by this. So we take it one step at a time. We multiply 3y squared by y squared, which will give us 3y to the fourth. Now we need to account for the second part here. Negative 4 times y squared gives us minus 4y squared. Now the second part, we multiply this whole thing again, but we multiply it by this second number, negative 9. So 3y squared times negative 9 is negative 27y squared. Negative 4 times negative 9. When you multiply a negative by a negative, you get a positive. So this is going to be plus 4 times 9, which is 36. So that's our answer. But as you can see, we have y squared and y squared. So we'll have to simplify it to arrive at one of the possible multiple choices on the test. So the final answer will be 3y to the fourth minus 4y squared minus 27y squared. So negative 4 minus 27 is minus 31y squared plus 36. And that's your answer.